Hi, I'm Tanya from Entreda, and I'm going to show you how to download and install the Entreda Unify applet. The download screen includes instructions and system requirements for downloading the applet. To begin the download, click Download Unify Applet. Now the install process has begun. Follow the installer screens. Once you get to the screen called Registration, enter your Entreda username and password. Next, the Unify Applet installer will do a pre-install check and then complete the installation. Now you can close the installer. To confirm the applet was installed and is connected, open the applet. You should see the applet is connected to Entreda Unify service on this screen. To confirm that your computer has been added, return to your Unify dashboard and scroll to the bottom. You should see your new device listed there. Now you are all set up and ready to use Unify. If you have any questions, you can contact us at support@entreda.com, and you can find us online at support.entreda.com.